Hi there, for today's read aloud we are going to be reading Weather, Snow. Before we begin reading, go ahead and use the cover and the title to make the best possible prediction. Okay, if you need more time, just go ahead and pause the video. Before we begin reading, I would like to point out that this is an informational text. We went over informational text just a little bit when we talked about central idea. In this text in the story, we are going to be learning some real information and some facts. So let's go ahead and get started. Weather, snow. Snow is ice that falls from clouds. Snow falls when the air is very cold. Snowflakes form high inside a cloud. They start as tiny ice crystals. Notice this photograph. The ice crystals grow bigger and heavier. They fall through the cloud. The ice crystals smash into each other. When they stick together, they form bigger snowflakes. Most snowflakes have 6 sides. They come in many shapes. This snowflake has thin branches. It looks like a star. Give me a thumbs up if you've ever seen snow. Give me 2 thumbs up if you remember when it snowed here in Texas about almost a month ago. Yeah, wasn't that fun? This snowflake has thick branches. I'm going to take a moment and look at this. This snowflake has almost no branches at all. These snowflakes are a jumble of ice crystals. So we're looking at this picture right here. Every snowflake is different. Let's take a moment and look at these different snowflakes. They are different, aren't they? So far, are we learning information about snow? We are. Does any of this sound made up? Are these facts? Good. Let's keep reading. At the end of this, we're going to see if we can't figure out the central idea of this text. Sometimes big, fluffy snowflakes fall to the ground. This snow is wet and heavy. We're looking at this picture right here. Other times, small, crisp snowflakes fall to the ground. This snow is light and powdery. Do you see the difference? This big, fluffy snowflakes. The snow is wet and heavy. Right here, it's small and crisp and light and powdery. Snow that falls in a flurry stops and starts again. A flurry does not bring much snow. Snow falls fast during a snowstorm. The snow can really pile up. So here's an example of that. Look at the snow piling up. Give me a thumbs up. Do you like snow? Yes or no? I like snow. The biggest snowstorms are blizzards. Strong winds blow snow around so much that it is hard to see. The air becomes ice cold. It is dangerous to be outside during a blizzard. So do you see the snow coming down and it's really covering the ground? This lady's having to shovel so she's able to walk and doesn't slip. Snow covers the ground after a snowstorm. Sometimes winds push the snow into huge drifts. The snow stays until warm weather melts it away. What is this a picture of? I'll give you a moment to look at it. Really look at the picture. There are cars It might look like it's a parking lot, but there's so much snow, it's kind of hard to tell. They're really stuck in that snow, aren't they? Okay, that's the end of our book. I'm going to go ahead and go to the front of the book, and we're going to talk about the central idea. Okay, let's go ahead and think back to central idea. What is central idea? Central idea is what the story is mostly about. What are some things we need to look for whenever we're thinking of central idea? The title, the pictures, and words that were used over and over again. So let's go ahead and go through it really quickly and see if we can't figure out the central idea by looking at the title, words that are used over and over again, and look at the pictures. So the title, snow. So that's going to be your first clue. Looking at the pictures, looking at the words, snow is ice that falls from the clouds, snow falls when the air is very cold, snowflakes. Look at this picture, snowflakes right there. Snowflakes, snowflakes, here's a snowflake. Okay, let's look at the next picture. Snowflake, so we're noticing a lot of words that either say snow or snowflake. And we're seeing snowflake or snow, so that keeps repeating. It goes again. Snowflakes, 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 snow, snow. Here's some more snow right here. Snow, snow. Snowstorms, snow, and that was a picture of snow. Whole bunch of snow right here. Snow, snowstorm, snow. Okay, so just by looking at the pictures, reading the title, and reading words that were repeated over and over again, what is the central idea of this story? Give me a moment to think about it. Okay, the central idea of this story was snow. So what did the author want us to take away from the story? So what did the author want us, the reader, to take away from the story, weather, snow? Snow. We learned all sorts of facts about snow. We learned about snowflakes, snowstorms, all sorts of things. So that's what we took away from the story. We learned real information about snow. So I hope you enjoyed today's little read aloud, this informational text, and you continue to learn about central idea. Okay, I hope you enjoy the rest of your reading lesson today.